Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the iPad supports Touch ID and opening settings now. Once you enter Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, and type your passcode, choose Add a Fingerprint or tap an existing imprint to delete it first. This frees a slot and avoids confusion. As you tap Start, position the same finger naturally on the Home button. You'll lift and rest it repeatedly so the sensor captures multiple angles. This quick start gets the hardware ready and initiates accurate scanning without delay. Now you'll focus on quality scanning. Follow each prompt and lift and rest the finger as instructed until the progress meter reaches completion. Make sure to subtly change the angle and placement across attempts so the iPad captures edges and different contact areas. This builds a robust template. When prompted for the second stage, continue the same deliberate, varied taps to record the outer surfaces. Once the bar fills, you've created a comprehensive imprint that reduces false rejects and improves day-to-day reliability. Finish by naming the fingerprint and testing unlock on the lock screen to confirm success. Also enable it for iTunes and App Store if you want purchases with Touch ID. If the sensor struggles, clean the Home button with a lint-free cloth and ensure your finger is dry, then retry. Dirt and moisture cause most failures. For persistent problems, delete all fingerprints, reboot the iPad, and re-enroll from scratch. This reset often resolves template corruption and restores reliable unlocking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.